welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be filming in my basement. I figured I'm going to try and set up my camera down here and see how it goes. I think it's going to be easier because my son films his videos right beside me. His YouTube channel link is going to be right below so you can go subscribe. So it's just kind of like a gray background. I am going to be putting a saying up, but yeah, so today's video we are eating, these are limited time only Doritos. I'm eating Doritos Dynamite Nacho Pacoso, I guess as it says. And then these are Doritos Dynamite Chili Lime. Those look like that. And I was at the checkout at Walmart when I saw these and I was like, I need to try these. So they're kind of like, they look like they're gonna be like Takis, and I'm starving. I haven't eaten anything today. But they look like they're gonna be exactly like Takis, so. And then I just have water. I love trying new stuff that's limited time only. So they smell good. They look like Doritos kind of like rolled up. Let me show you. Okay, so this is the chili lime that we're going to try right now. Woo! Oh Jesus. Take my word, they're really spicy. So far I can tell that Takis have more of a crunch to them. These are the Nacho Pacoso. Oh, they have a chili on them too. They're gonna be spicy. I didn't even think of that when I bought them. Can you guys see it? Spicy. These are good. Takis are better. They have more of a crunch. And way more flavor. But a nice try Doritos. So yeah. Do you guys have these or have you tried these ones? I've had a pretty busy morning. I've been editing my son's videos today. Took a lot of time editing his videos. His channel name is Liam's Clubhouse, so it'll be below. He's been wanting to start his own YouTube channel for like 2 years. Finally we did it. It's just a lot of work because I upload 3 times a week. He's doing once a week. It's a lot of work. But I love doing it. Sometimes it gets exhausting editing everything. Hey, come over more. My son wanted to come down and say hi. Come over more. They can't see. Okay, try it. So my son likes them. I find them spicy. Dinamita. I guess that's why they're called that, because they're so spicy. This is my lunch. Feels so different filming in my basement. Feels more open. Before I was filming and my bed was kind of like beside me, and now it's like way more open. I can like look outside. Okay. These are like crazy spicy. Okay, you guys ready? You know, I'll try one more, but I can't eat them. I don't like them. That lime is so overpowering. No. My husband can try those. I don't like them at all. These ones I'd probably get again, but if I can get Takis, then I'm gonna get Takis. So. Okay, just had to do a thumbnail. Whew. What's new with you guys? Anything new? You guys doing anything fun? Her loud noise upstairs scared me. I didn't take my son to the movies this week. We're gonna see Incredibles 2. He's never been to the movie theater, so this is his first time. It's gonna be fun. I love movie theater popcorn. I always get butter on the top and butter in the middle. So good. I like it soaking in butter. Movie theater nachos are always so good too. They're rolled to explode with favor. Here for a limited time only, they say. Meh. They have like a different texture than a normal Dorito. I don't know. These have a lot of flavor. These do, but not as much as those. I bought the burger Takis. I've been waiting for them to come back in stock. Do you guys want to see a video of me eating those? If so, leave it in the comments below. Say burger Takis. I've been talking, saying I want to do a Red Lobster video, and I do. I'll do one soon. Within the next few months soon. Just checking the time. I have an iPhone. I couldn't even tell you which one this is. It's one of the newer ones, but not the newest one. And I gotta use an OtterBox because I have kids. It gets dropped or thrown or whatever. I drop it a lot too though. I'll probably take my son out, see if he wants to go in the pool later. Almost done. I only gave my son like maybe 5. There's only 80 grams in this, so. I'm sitting in a chair, guys. All my videos have been filmed sitting on that little kid stool. I'm on a chair. Tables raised. Awesome day. Best part of Doritos is sucking all the Dorito dust off your fingers after. Had to fix my camera. It said card full. Anyways, as I was saying, I don't know if it's cut off. I love licking the Dorito dust off my fingers. Sorry if you guys don't like watching it, but I like doing it, so I'm gonna keep doing it. So I'm all done for today's snack. I thought it would be fun to try something new on my channel because I have not done that yet, so I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this. If you would like to see me try more new stuff like this, then leave it in the comments below. But just remember, I do live in Canada, so if there's something new that comes out, like at a Burger King or McDonald's or at just a general store, you want to make sure it's available in Canada. Just let me know what you guys want me to try. I'm up to trying pretty much anything. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and hit the bell to be notified when I do new uploads. Give this video a thumbs up. Appreciate all of the love and support I've been getting on my channel lately. I really do appreciate every single one of you guys. It makes my day reading all of the sweet comments you all leave me. I really appreciate them, and I appreciate all of you. That's all I have to say, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.